Alright, this is Rock Nez coming at you with another quick video. I bought this cheap drone on eBay. It's the Syma x5c-1. Now, I've seen some versions on eBay with like 51 bucks, but I bought the $69 version because it comes with an extra set of propellers and 2 extra sets of batteries. So, let's see what I got. It came a little torn, but what the hell. Okay. Yep, there it is. Oh, Syma x5c-1. Alright, let's see here. Okay, here. Ugh, no knife. Alright. Hold on a second. Okay. Whoa. Child-proof and adult-proof. Alright, let's see what we get here. Well, get some blades, some guards for the blades, I guess, some tools, USB. This must be for the battery, I guess. Let's see here. Some instruction manuals. Let's see here. Okay, here's the unit itself. Look at that. Wow, it's very light. There's the camera. I'm pretty sure it's not the greatest camera and stuff, but I'll post another video of me flying this around, well, me and my son and stuff. And here's the SD port, micro SD port. Oh yeah, this version also comes with a 4 gig instead of the standard 2 gigs. I'll just leave that in there. Okay. That side here. Oh, it also comes with, as I said earlier, 2 batteries. Instead of 500 milliamp batteries, these are 2 650 milliamp batteries. I don't know how many minutes it'll add to the flight time, maybe another minute or so. So instead of getting 5 to 8, maybe 5 to 10 maybe. But I'll test that out. Let's see. Here's the remote control itself. Cool. Alright, these little protective casings over the analog sticks. Alright. Made in China. Now this one doesn't include batteries. And there's like 4, I think, AA batteries that are supposed to be put in here. I've got some laying around somewhere. Oh, this is the mobile charger. Cool. Let's see here. Alright, let's see here. I'm just gonna be a savage, man. Sorry. Let's see here. Yep, this is the mobile charger right here. Now I heard the charge time on this is like 90 minutes per battery. It's an awful long time. That's why I bought this model, because it came with 2 extra batteries. So me and my boys would have some more goof off time with this. Shoot. Yeah, this is it right here. Well, it's basically all there is to it. Got, let's see here. Ooh, super small print. I need a magnifying glass for this. These eyes are not what they used to be. Let's see here. Yeah, 14 and up. Hey, I'm all good. Alright, well, that's about it, man. Hey. As I said earlier, this version here is $69 I bought on eBay with free shipping and handling. It's probably one of the cheapest drones out there, but the most common I've seen on YouTube and stuff. And I guess for beginners, this might not be too bad, but I'll find out another day or so. I'll post up another video. All right, well, thanks for watching. Bye.